Teppanyakki griddle. The griddle fits directly onto the hot plate and is interchangeable with the pan support. It is a very healthy method of cooking due to the high-spec non-stick coating. It is made from cast aluminium and is therefore lightweight and easy to move. It rapidly responds to heat, heating up very quickly, so saving time in the kitchen. The griddle is versatile and can be used for a wide variety of dishes, such as bacon, pancakes, prawns or vegetables. The gradient running from the back to the front allows fat to run into the front tray. The splashback and sides protect the hot plate from any food splashes. Due to the non-stick coating, the product is easy to clean and it is dishwasher safe.